Hi, this is Billy Tarasio from Modern Law, and I have another update for you. The Pinal or the Pima County Family Court has issued some guidelines for parenting time. And even though we are not in Pima County is Tucson. Um, I think that the guidance in this memoranda is really helpful, and so I want to go through it because it answers questions like what to do if my parenting time is supervised, what to do if my parenting time is supposed to take place in a public place, what to do if one parent isn't refuses to talk about safety guidelines amid the COVID-19 crisis. So the guide is really helpful, and we're going to go through it one step at a time. So first, this is the first premise that applies to every single parent. You must comply with any existing parenting time order unless there is an agreement otherwise or unless an order is modified. A parent who refuses to comply with a parenting time order is subject to legal penalties that may include being held in contempt, fines, or sanctions. A parent who is currently exercising parenting time or has the physical custody of a child and you're not entitled to it right now under court-ordered parenting time schedules must immediately return the child to the permitted parent. And even if you have sole legal decision making, it does not mean, according to the Pima County Courthouse, that you are allowed to withhold parenting time. The same thing applies for a parent with final legal decision making. You do not have the right to keep your child away from the other parent, even if you don't agree with the way that that parent is handling the COVID-19 crisis. So it's very specifically says denial of parenting time due to the COVID-19 pandemic is not acceptable. Unless otherwise ordered, the court considers each parent to be fit to care for their children, make decisions regarding the day-to-day aspects of parenting time, and that includes the decision of following federal, state, local directives such as social distancing, safety-related measures, and hand washing. So that is the first in this series. As you continue watching, we'll go over the guidelines on what is spring break, what is summer break, how do you interpret the schedules? Do you have to put your kids on a plane? Each video in this series will follow covering these topics.